What is up, my lovely followers on the blue tablet? I know I've been gone for a little while, and it is just some personal work that I had to take care of. So here I am, back with another video and drawing this lovely Mr. Octopus, or as my son would say, Octopus. So with that being said, this is gonna be, I think, number 3 of the marine life creatures. So with the videos that are coming forward, guys, I'm reconsidering what I'm going to be drawing, and because so far the last, I think, 3 or 4 videos that I posted, according to the analytics, I mean, it looks like the people have spoken and did not like them. But with that being said, I mean, I create these videos with the intention of teaching, and I don't know honestly if the fact that I've decided to do voiceovers, and if that's one of the reasons why people are not following along and not watching, or if it's just something that I chose to draw and people just don't want to draw it. But with that being said, I mean, I've already gone over and said, why I've chosen to do voiceovers, and maybe some videos might just be me drawing, and that's obviously because of the construction, and there's honestly really nothing that I can do about the noise. So with that being said, and I'm kind of repeating myself, drop me comments, guys, below, and let me know if there is something specific that y'all would like me to cover. Because on this channel, unlike my other channel, which is all skull art related, this channel is more geared towards just teaching people to draw simple stuff. I mean, I know these are not completely simple, but they are to the point. Is if you were to slow the video down, I think, a little bit more, you would be able to follow along. And I've been thinking of maybe if I should just do, maybe simple line art videos and try something different and not only show the drawing with the color. But as I said, this channel is going to be primarily for teaching my skill, what I've been learning as a self-taught artist for a while now, or pretty much all my life. And I have lists of things that I would like to draw on this channel, and up until now I think I've hit close to around, I want to say, 35 videos, and some have performed well and then some have been okay. And I mean, doing this channel was pretty much a test to implement the stuff that I learned on my other channel. The other channel is a little bit older, and this one was just a revamped channel from what it originally was. I mean, the plan of this channel actually originally was to be a vlog channel, and that didn't end up happening. So I was like, instead of deleting the channel, let me turn it into a simple drawing channel. And most of the videos that I've covered in this, I know there are already videos out there, but since I wanted to do this from a digital perspective and do it in Adobe Fresco, I figured there would be something different in it to be offered, and hopefully the people that are following along are getting some value from this and are able to draw along. And that's the thing, guys, I mean, it's with YouTube, it's I don't know if it's difficult, but just watching that analytics channel, or not the channel but the app, and just seeing which video performs good and which video does well as opposed to a video that's not doing well. I mean, it's kind of really hard to figure out what it is. I mean, like, for me, my approach is pretty much like, now for this channel, I have a bunch of or a list of things that I would like to draw, and I just draw that, and the hope is that somebody out there would follow along and just enjoy the whole fun aspect of just creating art without the notion of it being judged by somebody, but just something to have fun with. I mean, because for me, when I think of art, it is just something I want to unwind with, have fun. And now in this aspect, or in this case for this channel, I figured when I draw, I just maybe narrate what I do. And I think in the first few videos, my process was I'm just gonna have the camera or my phone set up at me on the pointed at the tablet and me drawing, and then I would just talk to y'all and let you know exactly what I'm doing, the canvas size and all that. And I really hope that I can get back to doing that after this construction is all said and done, because I think doing the voiceovers is not bad, but I think for this channel, I think the instruction is definitely something that I would like to get back at, because then it's easier to create the video from a beginner standpoint, so that way you don't have to figure out what I'm doing. But for me, I don't know, I think with the art that is on this channel, I think it is pretty self-explanatory what I'm doing. But I'm just seeing that from a point of view where I've been drawing for a long time, and that might not be the case for somebody that's newly drawing. But as I said, and I'll say it again, the goal of this channel is to teach people to draw, whether it be beginners, whether it be somebody that's intermediate, or just somebody that just wants to try art as a form of relaxation, and just have a good time, and create something funny, something that you can laugh at, because I mean, in nowadays day and age, I mean, we could sure use a whole lot of laughter. But yeah, for this little fellow, I mean, I just wanted to keep him goofy. And I know more than a how-to video, this has been more of me for ramble on. So with that being said, guys, I'll go ahead and wrap this video up, and I hope you all had fun following along, and sorry for my talking more than illustrating. And I will see y'all in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.